Hello. To mark Libraries Week this week, we thought we'd give you a short virtual tour of our library here in Aberystwyth. The town of Aberystwyth has a long history for scholarship and learning, and is well known for its university and the National Library of Wales. Indeed, it has more books per capita than anywhere else on the planet. However, one rich resource which is often overlooked is the Specialist Reference Library of the Royal Commission on the Ancient and Historical Monuments of Wales. Established in conjunction with the National Monuments Record of Wales archive during the 1960s, the embryonic library was at first only available to Royal Commission staff to assist them in their work. Complementing the archive, the books focused on Welsh archaeology, architecture, and local histories. During the 1980s and 1990s, the book collection expanded greatly, gaining a bespoke cataloguing system and a dedicated run. In short, becoming a proper library, which was eventually open to the public. In 2016, the Royal Commission offices, archive and library moved here to the National Library of Wales. The entrance to the library is in the north wing of the National Library. This room is the dedicated library and archive search room. As you enter the library, on the right-hand side, you will find the journals and magazines. These include Welsh county history journals, as well as specialist journals covering general archaeology, landscape, architecture and design, cartography and construction. Examples include Current Archaeology, Society of Protection of Ancient Buildings magazine, the Antiquarians Journal, the Welsh History Review, and the Railway magazine. Moving on to the library's books, these are a diverse collection having been accumulated through purchases, donations, and books presented in lieu of copyright and license fees. They cover all aspects of Welsh archaeology, architecture, history, maritime archaeology, place names, topography and cartography, planning legislation, and historic environment strategy. We also hold texts covering wider geographic areas to provide context. Holdings are particularly strong on the subjects of prehistory, Roman Britain, Welsh nonconformity, Welsh topography, vernacular architecture, and industrial archaeology. The Royal Commission has produced a number of its own books over its 113-year history. The inventories of historic sites in Wales, as well as the English and Scottish Royal Commissions, are all available in our library, as well as the more recent award-winning titles produced by the Commission in Wales, including Hidden Histories, Welsh Slate, and Wales in the Sea. In the far corner, there are guides of historic sites, such as those produced by Cadw for Welsh castles. It can be very interesting to see how these have developed in style, focus, and tone over the years to reflect new audiences and views on heritage. In the left-hand corner, you can see the public computers. One of our fabulous volunteers has been hard at work. These computers are available for researchers to access our Geographic Information System, or GIS, as well as our library catalogue, which is available for free online, along with an abundance of other online resources, including our archive catalogue and database of historic sites, Covling. Over the last 2 years, as part of the wider refurbishments to the National Library of Wales, the Commission's library has acquired a new roof. The library is now much lighter, airier, and better ventilated. We look forward to seeing you in the library sometime soon.